In this video we look into how and why you should limit login attempts in WordPress. A brute force attack is a method that uses trial and error to hack into your WordPress website. By default, WordPress allows users to enter passwords as many times as they want. Hackers may try to exploit this by using scripts that enter different combinations until they guess the right login. We can prevent brute force attacks by limiting the number of failed login attempts per user. The first thing you need to do is install and activate the Limit Login Attempts Reloaded plugin. Upon activation, you should visit the Settings Limit Login Attempts page, and then click on the Settings tab at the top. The default settings will work for most websites, but we'll walk you through how you can customize the plugin settings for your site. To be compliant with GDPR laws, you can click the GDPR compliance checkbox to show a message on your login page. Next, you'll choose whether to be notified when someone has been locked out. You can change the email address the notification is sent to if you wish. After that, you should scroll down to the local app section where you can define how many login attempts can be made and how long a user will have to wait before they can try again. It's recommended that you do not change the trusted IP origin setting for security reasons. Don't forget to click the Save Settings button at the bottom of the screen to store your changes. If you liked this video, then please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Thank you.